everybody, I'm Edie and welcome to Garden of Edie. I reverse my super high blood pressure eating garden food. No pills, just plants, and you can too. So join me in my garden and join me in my kitchen and we will show you all sorts of fabulous, delicious, healthy recipes that will heal whatever ails you. Hi everybody, it's Edie in the Garden of Edie and oh, this is my fennel. Isn't it beautiful? Have you ever smelled fresh fennel? It is divine. And you know, you can actually eat the roots, you can eat the vegetable and the fronds. I just read that if you leave it, you just cut it like this at the top, but leave the roots in the ground, and it may sprout another one. Oh my goodness, look what I found. This is a purple daikon radish growing, and I can see that it's ready to harvest. Ooh, isn't that so beautiful? These are arugula flowers, you guys. I have to tell you something. They are so delicious. They taste so nutty. This has to go in my fennel, whatever I'm doing with the fennel. Come with me, and you're gonna use all these delicious, delicious flowers. Hi everybody, we just got out of the garden with all this beautiful fennel, and now we're in the kitchen. We're gonna make a fennel salad, and this fennel salad is gonna flatten your tummy. And you're like, what? Fennel is an appetite suppressant, and it helps you lose weight. So here's what I'm thinking. A big salad with spinach, because spinach is so healthy, frisee, but it's hard to find. So if you can't find it, don't worry about it. You can use arugula or you can just use spinach, whatever. And then we're gonna thinly slice the fennel with the fronds. You know, you can eat the fronds. And one of my favorite spices to use is fennel pollen. I got this at La Boite in New York City, but I think you can get them other places too. There are other spice companies that have them. And I thought I'd use, in my garden I found this purple daikon radish. Before I even picked my fennel, I thought I was hungry for fennel the other day and these weren't quite ready. Look at the difference, you guys. Look at the difference. Now at the farmer's market, it can look like this. Now also mine, this might be a different variety, but it's okay, it all tastes the same, but mine from the garden is gonna be lighter, more refreshing, and we're gonna love it, but it's all good. So if all you can get is grocery store, go for it. Now when I was in culinary school, they said, prep a fennel. It was a big old fennel. And I'm like, first of all, what is a fennel? I'd never seen one. So they said, well, you want to take off the tough outside. You can eat this, but it's kind of hard. The outside you can eat. Let me try. Delicious. Now you can slice it very thin. I like it super thin. Always tuck your fingers, you guys. Always tuck the fingers. Okay, why don't we do a little frisee? So I'm gonna cut off just the tops like this. I only want the frizzy part. Hard to find, but interesting. Might as well put a lot of different interesting flavors in your salad because every time you take a bite, it's a new taste sensation and more nutrients. Every time you put a different kind of green in, it gives you a different, look how pretty that's gonna look. Okay, now I'm gonna add a lot of the fronds. Can you imagine the different textures? We've got the crispy fennel, we've got the feathery fronds. Now let's just slice this radish from my garden. Okay, let's see what it looks like inside. Bullseye. Bullseye radish. Again, I like these really thin, paper thin. Let's figure out the salad dressing. What I think sounds really good is orange juice. What do you think? Orange juice and fennel? I think that sounds really good. Now, because this is a flatten your tummy salad, you don't want to add oil. That defeats the purpose. No, we're gonna make the most delicious no-fat salad dressing. Now I'm just coming up with it. I have a lot on my website that I've tested. I haven't tested this one, but let's just do it together. Okay, I'm gonna add a little no salt mustard. That's what I think would be good. Don't you like mustard? I think that sounds good. Just a little bit. We'll see if we need more. Then I thought this fig vinegar. I don't know why. I saw it in my pantry. I thought, fig vinegar. Just a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna give it a taste. It's good. Need something else. How about, what do I have in mind? What do I have? Maybe lime juice. Orange juice and lime juice? I just see a lime over here. I'm gonna try it. This is really off the fly, you guys. Or on the fly. Is it on the fly or off the fly? Okay, just add a little lime juice. And I'm thinking, I want these pollen seeds. They're so good. You know what? Instead of putting them on the salad, I'm just gonna put them in the dressing. Let's just see what happens there. That's it, you guys. That's it. That is so delicious. Fennel is so good for us. It helps us maintain a healthy heart. It's great for our skin. It's anti-inflammatory. And for you moms out there, whether you're making babies and creating breast milk, it helps that. And also, when you're in menopause, it alleviates those symptoms too. So get your fennel on. Please make this flatten your tummy fennel salad. Eat it all day long. Enjoy.